Did you know the glute muscles, which make up the butt, is one of the largest and strongest muscles in the body? Today in Follow the Fives, I'm going to show you 5 butt and thigh workout routines for beginners that you can do at home. First up, let's try the air squat. Start standing with feet hip distance apart, toes pointed out slightly. Keeping the head in line with the tailbone, sit with shifting hips back. Lower down until thighs are parallel with the ground. Drive up through the heels to stand and repeat. Complete as many reps as possible in 45 seconds, then rest for 10 seconds. Up next are the pencil jumps. Start in an upright position with your arms by your sides. Jump up and down by bouncing off the balls of the feet. Complete as many reps as possible in 45 seconds, then rest for 10 seconds. Now, let's go into the hip circles. Start on a mat on your elbows and knees, keeping shoulders over elbows and hips over knees. Make circles in the air with your right knee, moving from the hip. Continue moving right knee in circles for 30 seconds. Then switch legs and repeat on the left leg for 30 seconds. Up next is the side leg lift. Lie down on your right side on a mat on the floor. Your body should be in a straight line with your legs extended and feet stacked on top of each other. Place your arms straight on the floor under your head or bend your elbow and cradle your head for support. Place your left hand out front for extra support or let it rest on your leg or hip. As you exhale, gently raise your left leg off the lower leg. Stop raising your leg when you feel the muscles flex in your lower back or obliques. Inhale and lower the leg back down to meet the right leg. Stack your feet again. Repeat 10 to 12 times, then switch to the other side. And to wrap, we have the walk-up squat. Start in a kneeling position, toes tucked under, knees hip distance apart. Bring your right foot forward to a half kneeling position. Now bring your left foot forward into a low squat. Come up to standing. Return to start by lowering down to a squat and bringing your right knee down first. Complete as many reps as possible in 45 seconds, alternating the leg you start with, then rest for 10 seconds. So well, remember to watch out for your glutes and be regular at these simple yet significant butt and thigh exercises. But before that, don't forget to consult a medical practitioner before trying this at home to know what's right for you. Do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content.